Look what has arrived. That, if you cannot tell because it was blurry, are my floors. COREtec flooring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pallets worth. So I've got 7.5-inch wide plank going in the kitchen, dining, hallway area and upstairs, and then in the bedroom, master bedroom and the living room, we've got the herringbone. I am beyond excited to get this stuff installed. It's 100% waterproof. As a reminder, it's luxury vinyl plank. So cork base, rubber center, vinyl top. When this is installed and you see the face of this stuff, you will be hard pressed to tell the difference between real wood. Again, 100% waterproof, super pet friendly. So claws and scratches and all that stuff, non-issue. With all the snow melt and mud and in and out from the pool, we just thought this was the perfect flooring for a high traffic house. Really low maintenance, really easy to clean. So very excited to install this. And as a bonus, John Rittner called me this morning and surprised me. He said, Ant, I'm gonna come and start installing the floor this week. I got a free day. I'll be there on Wednesday. Super excited. Johnny, thank you so much. That also means I got a lot of floor to carry. All right, floor install starts today. John, Mother, and Steven are here. I have gotten all the COREtec carried inside, spread out around the house. I got a bunch in the 3-season room because it doesn't need to acclimate yet. Some downstairs, some upstairs. Speaking of acclimation, one of the nice things about this product, I need a step ladder. One of the nice things about the COREtec, only needs to be inside for 24 hours before install, just so it gets up to temperature. It's nice and pliable. It's not super stiff. It's not like a natural hardwood where it needs 8-10 days of acclimation. You got to worry about humidity. There's no expansion and no contraction with this stuff. So from an install perspective, it's quite a bit easier. Obviously want clean floors, so we're doing a sweep and vacuum. And then we're going to be good to go. So Mother is already at it. I went downstairs for a half-hour meeting. Room 1 is done. These guys are flying. Nobody's messing around today. Room 2, layouts on the
wedding to be done for.
That's right.
Like timeline.
He knows. Listen, a wedding is the best motivation you can give your contractor, especially when they're invited.
They're not moving to date for me. I'm telling you.
All right, day 2 of flooring install. Before we get on to that though, day 1, we've got the bunk room, the hallway, you can't really see in bedroom 2, and then we've got the bedroom with the ensuite bath. And remember, these floors are 100% waterproof, carried them right into the bathrooms. Beyond impressed with how much floor went down yesterday. Combination of the skill of the Rittner guys and the ease of install on the COREtec stuff. So floating floor, no glue, no nails, no staples, nothing. I gotta be honest, very trepidatious about it. I've always learned floating floors are not the way to do things. You don't get the greatest install. Technology's come a long way. So with the weight of these floors, with the cork, the rubber, and the vinyl topping, these things are not moving. Plus the width, right? They're 7.5 inches wide as well. Everything is lock tight, not a air gap underneath it. There was one hump in the hallway area. So this is a good note for anybody who's gonna do this on their own. You know, throw in a floating floor. You gotta be within a very tight tolerance of level. When you have an older home like this, 1965, couple of bad renovations, you're gonna have some humps and valleys. And if you have that, that's where you can get a lot of that noise under your floors. You have a good heavy belt sander with a rough grit paper, you can knock down any of those humps, and then when you go and install the floor over the top of that, you're not gonna have any issues. So we had one spot like that, we took care of it. It looks super good. Mother is back for day 2 on the flooring. I am super excited to see the first floor go in, and JC's coming up this afternoon to check it all out, so I'm really thrilled with the amount of progress she's gonna see. We've got all the Benmore on the walls, we've got the COREtec floors down, train heat is up and running. The Kichler lights have been delivered, so I can show her that. We've got the antler chandelier in the barn. Just a ton of stuff for her to see. So I can't wait to see the look on her face when she sees how much progress we've made over the past couple weeks. But for now, these floors ain't gonna install themselves.
Oh my god! You guys move fast. Holy sh**, you guys. These look great.
Bam! Right? There were no floors down here this morning. These boys are not messing around.
My kind of boy.
Right?
Crazy.
Ross man! Rossy boy!
Can't wait. My gosh. Holy crap. Everything is done up here.
The whole floor, look. Bunk room. Look at this big bedroom. How good this feels. Afternoon light coming in.
Yeah, beautiful. It looks so good down like the seamlessness.
What was that? Seamlessness?
Seamlessness. Seamlessness.
And guess what?
What?
Just got our wood stove permit. That means my sketch worked. It worked. It was approved. I didn't trick anybody. Very excited. Speaking of which, honey, next up, you gotta come check out our fireplace.
I'm not done up here. Oh my god. No, you can't even tell where.
The old ends and the new begins,
can't
right?
tell.
Their stonework is unbelievable.
That is.
Felipe's guys crushed it. So they're making the fireplace wider so the Defiant can fit in.
Okay.
We're repouring the floor down here, and then I'm gonna order the stove with the heat deflector on the bottom so that that's all safe and good.
Yep.
And then the hearth will come out 16 inches.
Really amazing.
I mean, I didn't do it, but thanks.
No.